everyone! Welcome to our second LA vlog. First up in this video is our visit to the Broad Museum. This museum has free admission, but we did have to make a reservation to see the Infinity Mirror Room. Oh my gosh, yes! Look at that, guys! Yeah. They allow each visitor to go in separately, which is great. However, you are only allowed 1 minute in the room, so be prepared to quickly pose and take photos. We were also excited to see this installation called Under the Table. The furniture pieces were oversized so you can walk under it. Overall, we enjoyed walking through this museum and seeing all the different art pieces. There is a gift shop right before the exit where they sell artist-inspired products. Next up, we visit the Santa Monica Pier. We timed it so that we would be able to catch the sunset. There are a variety of food options and even an amusement park. We definitely got lucky with the weather being so beautiful that day. And as always, we had to visit a gift shop to find a souvenir magnet.
Route 66 magnet, bottle opener. Alright, what's next? Nice. Awesome.
There was a Japadog stall that a lot of famous celebrities have visited before, and John was a little hungry, so we decided to get a little snack.
It's got a Japadog. I didn't realize I meant Japan hot dog. I thought it was American hot dog, but now I understand why people come here and get it. Alright, let's eat.
Which one did we get?
Number one, kurobata pork. There's some
Teriyaki sauce, I think?
yeah, some teriyaki sauce, some Japanese mayo, and then some seaweed and some onions. Yeah. Oh, it's not that bad. Like, Japanese mayo actually works with like a lot of things. I mean, okay, would I pay $10 for this again? If I was really craving a hot dog and I was here. But honestly, this isn't bad. The flavors aren't bad. Alright, this is my favorite donut chain. A lot of people I know are talking about they wanted the number they want, but it's never ran out. But I'm pretty sure he made it just because we were like really into this stuff.
Yeah.
Alright, so first off, is your donut. I've never had this, it's probably new flavor. So passion fruit coca donut. I've never seen those two together, let alone in a donut. And finally, the creme brulee. It's a little hot, but so you see that little thing in the middle?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so you're supposed to squeeze it in, and then you eat it.
Oh.
And I used to get this all the time when I lived in Portland. It was so good. All right.
Let's dig in.
All right. Passion fruit coca donut. Ooh. It's very sour at first. It's like, oh. That's like super sheen, super sour.
Oh.
And then there's like some sweet parts of the cocoa. Well, if you like passion fruit, that's actually really good.
I'm glad we didn't get the lemon with
that's
it
just
then.
more sour.
Yeah.
Than I expected.
Right. So we'll see.
Alright. Look at her face. Look at her face. It's very sour. It's very sour.
Really sour.
But you can taste the passion fruit. Not.
And I think the chocolate helps.
Yeah, the chocolate helps. It's not too much. I wish it was a little bit more, actually. Well, it's a very interesting thing for a donut. You don't see this often.
I think it's very soft and
Okay, I'm gonna squeeze the little juice inside the donut. It's a little sticky. Up. Good squeeze. There we go.
Wow.
Juice is all over it. Creme brulee white chocolate. Oh, it's like a heart attack in one. So many calories, but so worth. Oh yeah.
You can hear the crunch
It's so crunchy.
of the creme brulee.
The creme brulee. It's actually not too sweet. It's not as sweet as I thought. Because like there's some like really nice white chocolate custard in there, and then the little I don't know what this is, like Rice Krispies.
Oh.
Some kind of crunch topping. But yeah, the creme brulee is so nice. Oh my gosh, dude. Definitely my favorite donut chain right here. Limited edition flavors every month, and this one's like Thanksgiving. So you see, it's all like Thanksgiving thing. They have like cheesy potato casseroles, turkey stuffing, mango prime. It's like really interesting.
We got the limited edition flavors. We got the Mom's mango pie, which is the top one, and then we got the Parker house roll with salted buttercream, which is on the bottom right there. So
yep, these are the two Thanksgiving limited edition flavors here at Salt and Stroll.
I really like the house rolls.
It's so random. It's the salted buttercream, and it really makes it.
It's so good. And then the mango pie, you can really taste the mango. And then like the crust, basically like a pie crust.
Yeah, I've never seen them do mango before, so it's really cool to see them do it. And I guess in a Thanksgiving format. Yeah, I miss Salt and Straw. I mean, we have Jenny's where we are, but they don't do as like wild flavors like Salt and Straw does. Right.
We're gonna go to In-N-Out.
I'm gonna do drive-thru. I'm gonna act like a proper local Californian. Alright, thank you.
We secured the goods. We're back at the hotel now with our In-N-Out. This is the animal style fries. And then these are the double burgers. And all of this only came out to like $16.54, which is really good price considering it's in LA. Right, we're just sitting at the bar while waiting for a table, so we're just gonna get some cocktails first. Right, I got the pear cocktail, and then John got the Japanese highball. He loves the plum wine. Right, we ordered the baguette with the olive oil, and then we also got like complimentary potato and leek soup, I think. So yeah.
Seems crunchy. That's a good baguette.
Then we got the potato and leek beignets. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's pretty dark in here.
Alright. Ooh, it's hot. It's kind of hot. Pop it. Very potato-y and leaky. It's kind of like it just pops in your mouth. It's kind of like boba. Savory form.
We got the arugula bucatini. So it's like the pasta is made out of veggies. And then there's like a mushroom sauce. It's pretty good. Like really good texture. We finally got the duck. It was like 40-minute wait for this, so must be good. Medium rare.
Medium rare duck from Republique.
It has the skin on too.
Yeah. How is it?
It's really good.
Yeah, French duck.
Yeah, I feel like I've never had any duck other than like Cantonese duck.
Yeah. Woo! Let's go.
John cutting it barbarically.
Yeah, for this French life.
Wow, look at that. It's strawberry tiramisu.
Nice.
Got a big old strawberry.
Let's go for it. Yeah, is he really good?
It's like it's kind of like sherbet in a way.
Yeah, he said there was sherbet in there.
Yeah. Oh, okay, okay.
Nice.
Wow. I was excited to visit the urban light installation located at the entrance of LACMA. We decided to go at night to see the lamps turned on. It is definitely a great spot for Instagram photos. That is all for this vlog. We hope you enjoyed watching and we'll see you in the next video.